I want to go to the sea. The beach holiday is the best for everyone.
But I want to go hiking. The mountains would be perfect.
You never think of me. I want to have a party vacation.
We'll never agree. This is pointless.
In a world full of video meetings without structured interaction, it can be hard to build trust and align goals, especially when team members have individual preferences. As a result, teamwork often becomes inefficient and conflicts arise. To address these challenges, we developed a video meeting design to improve goal alignment and collaboration. Our tool combines several features to create a seamless and effective meeting experience. It integrates directly with Jitsi, enabling teams to communicate in real time. Dynamic content provides visual prompts and updates to guide participants through each phase of the meeting, ensuring a smooth and focused process. A dedicated notes section allows individuals to write down their thoughts as they reflect. A progress bar keeps everyone informed about the flow of the meeting, while an integrated audio guide offers step-by-step instructions to ensure clarity and engagement throughout. This framework is grounded in psychological principles to maximize its impact. Mental contrasting, MC, guides participants through 3 key steps: imagining their personal wishes, visualizing the desired outcomes, and identifying potential obstacles. This structured reflection helps teams to understand both individual and collective priorities. Collaboration rules, CR, on the other hand, encourage participants to formulate shared norms and expectations. Together, they collaboratively decide on rules to overcome challenges and imagine the positive outcomes of adhering to these rules. Our meeting design is part of a larger experiment aimed at understanding the impact of structured collaboration on team trust and alignment. Before participating, individuals complete a short survey to assess their initial preferences. The video meeting lasts 8 minutes, including MC and CR phases, followed by a collaborative discussion. After the meeting, participants take part in the weakest link game, which tests blind trust and evaluates whether the structured meeting improved trust among team members. While the experiment is still ongoing, we are excited to see how our structured collaboration approach impacts team dynamics and trust.
Okay, then it's settled. Our vacation's going to Thailand.
Yes, great. We can party a lot there.
Exactly, and we can go hiking in the mountains.
And there are also lots of beautiful seas and beaches. I'm so excited.